Hey YouTube, we're going to do Waterloo Sunset. Starts out with this little guitar. Terry meets Julie, Waterloo Station, every Friday night. I am so lazy, don't want to wander, stay home at night, but I don't feel afraid, as long as I gaze out on Waterloo Sunset, I am in paradise. Sha-la-la, chilly is the evening time. The Waterloo Sunset's fine. Waterloo Sunset's fine. Right, mostly it's just simple A or E, B to A progression. E's the 1, B's the 5, A's the 4. At the beginning of the song, the rhythm guitar is just playing. Doing like a galloping, and then it goes. And that's where the little lead guitar line is played. That's just a melody. We'll go over that at the end. It goes into E. Terry meets Julie. I did like the third verse or something. Waterloo Station B. Every Friday night A. Repeats. I am so lazy. E. I don't want to wander B. I stay at home at night A. But I don't. F sharp minor. 2nd fret. Then we drop our pinky and it becomes F sharp minor 7. Feel afraid. Then we go to A, which if you think about it, you're already playing A. You don't even actually have to move your fingers. You can play the A just like this. Play 4, 3, 2. Feel afraid. To B. So that's don't feel afraid. Just to emphasize different strings when you go to the A. B is long. And that goes back to the E, B, A. Waterloo Sunset, I am in paradise A. Now this is where it goes sha-la-la, chill. It goes every day I look at the world from my window. B, A, E, F sharp minor. Chilly is the evening time. And that's when they go Waterloo Sunset's fine. And this basically you're just playing power chords here. So we go 7, 9, 7 on the low E, 9 on the A and D. Then we shift that down to 5, 7. Then we go 4, 6. Then we go 2, 4. Waterloo Sunset's fine. Waterloo Sunset's fine. And then back to the E. Those are all the chords in the song. Now, going off the 2010 Glastonbury performance, I've looked at other performances. This is how they do it. Now the the guitar riff, basically We're playing C sharp minor pentatonic. In this case, on the 4th fret is our C sharp minor, or C sharp. Okay, but really what this is being used as a substitute for E major. But the scale is 4/7 on the A string, 4/6 on the D string, 4/6 on the G string, 5/7 on the B string, and then 4/7 on the high E. We don't use the high E though. It starts on the G string. We go hammer on is like your 1, 2. I'm just talking like there's 2 notes. Like do do. But the first one is actually a hammer on. All right, so we hit that note on the 5th fret on the B string, and we come back to the G string and do the same thing. So all together, the first phrase is. Second phrase, we jump down to the D string. We do something almost the same. We do the hammer on 4 to 2. We hammer on and then pull off to the 2. Except this time we're going to play after the D string. We jump to the G on the 4th fret. And then we come back to the D and play the same thing. Okay, so the 2nd fret is. Alright, and the 3rd fret, we're going to jump to this lower extension box on that pentatonic. The extension box is 2/4 on the A and 2/4 on the D. Alright, so we start out by doing a hammer on, similar to the first 2 phrases. Okay, we go 2, 4. I'm sorry, 4, 2. Then we slide up to the 6. Slide back down to the 4, 2, all on the D string. And then finish on the A at the 4th fret. All together, the 3rd phrase is. Okay, that's I'm in paradise. It's just playing the melody of the song. Alright, that's it. Waterloo Sunset by the Kinks, a real classic song. Thanks for watching. Not so big in the United States as it was in England. That's a very beautiful song. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.